Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add music or audio files to Clipchamp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply add audio to a Clipchamp video once you open the app itself and select a project. So once you've selected a project, in a few different ways, you can simply add your music or audio file to your Clipchamp. So simply open your My PC right over your project, and once you have done this, drag and drop the audio files from your device. So simply import audio using the import media button on the Clipchamp app itself. So once you're editing a project, you can find this section on the left hand side of the corner. So simply import any of the audio files or any of music that you want to add to your Clipchamp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.